DesignerLogic has comprehensive contact management. Click on the Contacts link in the left-hand navigation. Here you'll see all the contacts in your account. Filter the list using the filter button at the top. Click on the name of a contact to view more detailed information. You can see all the logs for that contact. You can see the projects the contact has, any calendar events, tasks, or uploaded related files like contracts that you have for that contact. To add any of these things, click the Edit Add button at the top and just choose what you want to add to that contact. You can also edit the details of that contact from the link in that menu. Back on the main contacts page, click the Logs link, and you can see an overall view of all logged communication by your staff for all of your contacts. You can filter that a number of different ways. And you can also see more detail by clicking on the detail icon to the far right of any kind of communication log that you have. Back in the main contacts page, click on the statuses link to the right to edit your status you want to keep for your contacts. Click on the tags link to edit any tags that you have for the contacts. These two things make your contacts very much more filterable and searchable. To add a new contact, simply click on the New Contact button at the top. Fill in the information that you have, any tags, choose a star value if you'd like, and add a website or any social media page links that you have. Click Save and Close, and that will create the new contact. When you're ready, you can create a project for a contact. Simply go into the contact information page for that contact, go to Edit Add, select Project, and you can either create a new project or you can link to an existing project if you've already started a project for that contact. And lastly, if you are anywhere in DesignerLogic, say you're on your home page or in any other project, and you need to add something to the contact on the fly, choose Shortcuts. And over here, you can quickly, under the Contacts link, add a new contact. Or when you choose Shortcuts, you can add a log for the contact. For example, say you have a phone call that you just completed, or you've had a conversation that you want to make sure everybody in your staff knows about. You can add that directly to the contact right here from the Shortcuts. And that's how you do contact management in DesignerLogic.